Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their new The Owl and the Pussycat bath bomb. And I wanted to show it to you up close before I put it in the tub because it's really cool. They're all individual pieces, so you could split this up in between a couple different baths if you wanted to. I wanted to set it in the water so it could float nicely. I kind of didn't think it would work, and it didn't. It capsized. But that would be cool if it actually like floated along the water, but mine did not. The cat and the owl, probably because they're smaller, they fizzed out pretty quickly. And the boat was more foamy and took its time dissolving. My daughter wanted me to hand her the cat, so I picked it up so I could show it to her. I could tell that the water was just going to be a really fun color. And it definitely was. It was like a milky green color at the end. It was very, very pretty. So this bath bomb is $10.95, so it is kind of expensive, but it is big. It's 8.6 ounces, and like I said, you could split that up if you really wanted to, get a couple different baths out of it. And it smelled very sweet, and it did have fragrance notes of gardenia extract in it. So it was a rather pleasant smelling bath bomb. And I've done a couple of their Easter bath bombs so far. I've enjoyed them all. This is one of my favorites, and the Humpty Dumpty one was tons of fun. Thought that was a very clever bath bomb. So if you missed that, I've already posted it. Make sure you check it out. And I'll have a couple more in the future. And here's the water at the very end. Super pretty. So that's all I have for you today. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more. Bye guys.